So welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix spacecraft game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, not working, or several other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. Well, the very first thing is to restart your PC once, and after that try to launch the game and check. So simply for that, click on the Windows icon, click on power, and then select restart over here. So after restarting your PC, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, on the library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. So here is the game application. You have to select it. After that, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and select run this program as an administrator. Hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK, and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations. Hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, on the library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on over here under generally you have to type -d x11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -d x12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding the game, here you have to select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics cards. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA named users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it, and after verifying the files, launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. So if you must check if the graphic settings are not properly set up. Most of the time the graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., and you can suffer from crashing or several other issues. So you are suggested to lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. After that, launch the game and check. Next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, and here you have to click on check for updates option. So you will get check for updates option over here. Simply click on it, wait for it, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next method is to install Visual C++ file. So for that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. So after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once Visual C++ files is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. So simply click on it, click on yes. After that, wait for some time. Once you will get a setup successful message, close this. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again log into the game and check if you can play it. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphic settings. So search for graphic settings, and after that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, you have to first click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed and add the game to the list. After that, click on arrow icon, and under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select all of those, and after that right click on it and click on simply select it, right click on it, and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. After that, try to launch the game and check if it's working now. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users just go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. After that, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. For that, go to Steam, under library section, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, finally click on uninstall option. Still completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, again launch Steam, and after that reinstall Spacecraft game once again, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's launching or not. So these are few solutions to fix spacecraft game crashing: not launching, not opening, crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, black screen, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.